Hey and welcome. In this section, we will implement complete Tic Tac Toe online game. That means by the end of this section, you will be able to play Tic Tac Toe with your friend. You on your phone and he in his phone. So basically, both of you are connected using Firebase, and you just invite him and you play the game with it. So to show you how the game will be, for example, let's suppose here I have some person named Hussein at yahoo.com. He just log in, and you will see his name. He just log in here in the Firebase, and let me suppose here is another player which is Rana at yahoo.com. So just two player log in and just they start the game. They just log in with the game. So they just log in now. Now Hussein want to play with Rana. I just sent her invitation. So I say, hey Rana, I want to play with you because I know your email. I could send you invitation. So I say, hey, invite. So Rana now he get invitation from Hussein. She see his email. So she accept. Now both of them is red. That's mean yay. Both of them could start the game. So now let's suppose I want to start the game. So hey, I would add X. He will see directly what I played. So I added O. So now she play with X. So I added O, she played with X. So then I O, whatever, since she added her, then I play her, then I win the game. So player 2 win the game. So see how is it? The idea of this one we will teach you a lot. One of them how to use Firebase to do real time an application like to play the game in backend, and how Firebase could manage the online gaming and many things. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started step by step.